Hello everyone, welcome to my page Insperia Do It Yourself. I made this page because I really like to do some crafts and I like to make it simple for you, so this is where I start with a craft with stone art. I found the stones on the beach, so if you have a beach near, just go find some nice flat stones so you can make this craft. You see me here starting with painting a bench, a tree. I like to start with a pencil so I can use the eraser if it's not okay, because you know, when you make a mistake it's so sad if you have to start all over again. So here you see me drawing the lines, so if you like you can draw the same, it's very simple. If you cannot draw, I try to upload also this picture so you can download it, but I have to see if this will work out or not, or I have to find another way so you can just upload it. So I'm making some leaves, try to fix it, and then I'm going to do these lines with a black pen so you can see it even better. You see, it's a very simple bench. It's not very hard to draw this. So you can just take your time, and it's very nice to give a gift like this to somebody you love or you like. Later I will upload more different ideas, so you can just look at my page and see if you find an idea you like. So here I'm making some lines in the trees so it makes it more real. Also making the leaves outlined black. So and I'm from the Netherlands, so if my English is not perfect I'm very sorry, but I hope you can at least understand what I'm saying. So this one is not really beautiful, but okay, it's just an idea. This is the base, you know, from this on it will be very easy to finish this. So putting some lines on the leaves, and now I'm going to erase the pencil. You see, it's coming out pretty nice. I like the results. Yeah, I forgot a stripe. And now I'm going to make it a little green just to make it a little more alive. And later on I was thinking maybe it's also nice to give this bench a little brown, but you know, you can make it however you want. And I would really like when you finish it that if you upload it. Look, this is the bench. This is just a small piece of wood, and these are the stones I found on the beach this morning. I'm in Spain at this moment, so they have beautiful beaches here with a lot of stones, so I'm in a Valhalla of stones. And now I'm going to draw with black, of course, not with green, the arms. Very simple, don't make it too hard. It's just for fun, you know, you can make something like this for somebody you like or love. Okay, I'm going to put the stones a little more together because they are in love, right? So they have to sit next to each other. Just small round hands. You don't have to be a very good painter or drawer to make this. It's very easy. And like I said, I'm going to try to upload the picture without the stones, so you can put the stones in it yourself. So, and then now it's just like they're hanging on a tree. I think it's nice, right? So you can put the text beneath it. Together is my favorite place. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you will watch more of my movies. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye!